Let's have some practice on abstract noun. These are abstract nouns: active, adult, argue, achieve, kind, member, neighbor, lonely, personal, and relation. These are nouns, verbs, and adjectives. Now we are going to add some suffixes to make abstract nouns, and the suffixes are hood, ship, meant, itty, and ness. Okay, let's do some practice. First one is active. Okay, active hood, active ship, active meant, activity, activeness. Okay, I have tried each and every suffix here, but two of them are the most appropriate because I have listened activity and activeness. The both are correct. We can also write activity and activeness. Both have different meanings and the meanings are relevant to the abstract noun. Activity means the condition in which something happens, and activeness is the state of being active. So the most appropriate, I think, is activeness. So I will write here activeness. NASS. Activeness is the first abstract noun that cannot be seen. Okay, the next one is adult. Okay, what should be the best option? Adulthood, adultship, adultment. Oh, I think adulthood. Okay, this one is the best because I have an experience and I have listened this and I have read this word again and again in stories. Adulthood. So in this way you can add some suffixes to make abstract nouns. Argue. Okay, now you will choose anyone: hood, ship, meant, itty, or ness. Argue ness? No. Argue ship? No. Argument. Okay, it's a common word. We have listened it in our daily life. Okay, and the student is writing here argument. Very good. MENT. And good. Here is a student of class 2. Achieve. Now, what would be the best answer now? Achieve hood? No. Achieve ship? No. Achievement? Yeah, this is the word that we have learnt in level 6. Achievement. And the student is writing here achievement. Very good. MENT. NT. Okay, no MEET. MENT. Raise it. Very good. MENT. Okay, the next word is kind. Kindhood? No. Kindship? No. Kindment? No. Kindity? Oh no. Kindness? Yes, I have listened this word. There was a story, kindness of the king. Yes, kindness. Okay, NESS. Very good. Next one is member. Memberhood, membership, memberment, membership. I have membership of Union Council. Okay, membership. This one is a word that I am familiar to this word. Okay, ship. Very good. The student is writing in a good way. Then next one is neighbor. Neighborhood, neighborship, neighborment. What would be the correct answer? Neighborhood. Very good. HOOD. Neighborhood. Correct answer. Lonely. Now there is a rule. Lonely. Lonelyhood, lonely ship, lonely man, lonely tea, loneliness. Yes, I have Read this word in a story, loneliness. The princess was laying in loneliness. Okay. Then I will write here loneliness. I can consult Google or I can also consult my dictionary. Ness, N-E-S-S. Very good. But now there is a rule that we have to remove Y. Okay, we will remove Y and we will change it into I. Then the spellings will be correct. Loneliness, L-O-N-E-L-I-N-E-S-S. Personal. Which suffix is better for personal? Personalhood, personalship, personalment, personality, or personalness? Okay, the most appropriate word is ITY, personality. Okay, and the student is going to write ITY here. Good. Relation. Okay, relationhood, relationness, relationment, relationity. No, relationship. I have a good relationship, friendship relationship. Okay, SHIP. Very good. P, please. Okay, P. Now, it's a way that you can keep the words and you can come to know about the best and the appropriate words, and you can form different abstract nouns. Very good way. Thank you. Let's come to the next assignment. I have given you an assignment to write an essay on my best friend. For this purpose, you will make a mind map in your notebook or in your mind, in which you will think about the qualities your friend has. Okay, you will write the introduction and then different qualities. And qualities may be honesty, kindness. Your best friend can be caring, trustworthy, respectful, and many other qualities if you want to write about your friend. Okay, first of all, you will write the introduction. In the very first paragraph, you are going to write the introduction to your friend. Okay, how can you write it? First of all, you will define friendship. Friendship is also an abstract noun. Okay, you will define it and you will start your essay in an inspiring way. You will start it with a quotation or any proverb, or you can use different verses. Okay, then you will write in the second paragraph, you will write a topic sentence. Okay, for example, first of all, you are going to describe his simplicity, the simplicity of your friend. Okay, you will write first sentence about his simplicity. Okay, then there will be supporting details. You will support your topic sentence. You will give some examples. You will explain your topic sentence in the paragraph. Then there will be second paragraph and you will write topic sentence again, in which there will be another quality of your friend, your best friend. Okay, for example, kindness. Now you are going to explain his kindness, and in the very first sentence, in topic sentence, you will describe about his kindness, and then you will give some supporting details. In the same way, you will describe the qualities of your friend in 4 or 5 paragraphs, and then lastly you will write the conclusion. Here is conclusion. Okay, what will you write in the conclusion? There will be reasoning. Okay, there will be the summary of all these traits, of all these qualities of your friends. Okay, all these abstract nouns will be there. Okay, now you will use properly all the abstract nouns and you will write, you will create a very nice essay, and it will be the pattern of your essay writing. Okay, your essay should be between 250 to 300 words, and it will be written neatly, and it should have a good content. Vocabulary should be good and there should be no spelling mistake. Okay, very good. Thank you.